Meaning of Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan Poe.
Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe was an American writer best known for his poetry and short stories, particularly tales of mystery and the macabre. He is considered a central figure in American Romanticism and is credited with contributing to the emergence of the detective fiction genre. Poe's works are characterized by a dark and often eerie tone, and he is known for his vivid imagery and use of symbolism. Despite struggling financially throughout his life, Poe's legacy has endured, and he remains one of the most celebrated and influential writers in American literature.